How to turn off shorts on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the YouTube application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now generally, when you look for any videos over here, you can generally see the short section at the bottom. So after some videos, you'll be able to see the short section. Now if you want to disable it or turn off it, there's no direct way. So what you're going to do is we're going to tap on each short, three dotted lines over here, and then tap on not interested. So you have to do this for all the videos that are shown over here in the short section. So there might be about 12 to 15 videos that you have to do the process for. So just tap on not interested over here for each of these videos that pops over here in your short section. So you need to keep doing this until you reach the very end of the short section. So let's keep doing this over here for a while. And as we reach to the end of the video over here, now you can see there are no shorts. So you can just refresh the page. Okay, so just refresh the page and you'll be able to see there are very few shorts, or there are hardly any shorts available over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.